Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to close or delete your Pinterest account on your phones. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the Pinterest application and open that up. Once you're on the Pinterest application, you can just go over to the little saved tab at the bottom right. Once you're on there, you can go to your settings here, and you want to go to account settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where you see close your account. So you just click on close account. And then they're just going to want to know why you're closing your account, so you can decide, look through these here and then decide what you want to click. I'm just going to click on other for the tutorial. Then you want to click on next. And that's just going to ask you to confirm that you're sure. It's going to tell you that it's going to send you an email with the final step as well. So you just click on send email. And then it will log you out for the last time. Once you can do this, you just exit out of here, head over to your email. And you just get to your email and you'll see this here, closing your account is permanent. So you're just going to want to confirm that you want to close it. If you're 100% sure that you want to close your account, you just want to click on yes, close account right here. And then it will just do one last time loading, and then it will just confirm that's going to close your account for you. And it is done. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.